All stations, prepare for mooring operations.
Copy, Captain. Proceeding to brief the mooring team. Bosun, report your status forward.
Forecast of the bridge. Good day, sir. Mooring station manned and ready. Copy, sir. Crew are clear at snapback zone. PPE all complete.
Bosun, ensure all crew are clear of snapback zone and wearing full PPE.
Copy, sir. Crew are clear at snapback zone. PPE all complete.
Very well. Maintain safe distance from lines.
Captain, we are now 30 meters from the berth. Speed 03 knots.
Stop engine.
Engine stop, Captain.
Bosun, stand by to send heaving line forward.
Standing by, sir.
Send heaving line.
Having line away, sir. Shore crew has received the line.
Bosun, send out forward breast line.
Sending out forward a breast line, sir. Line in the water. Shore has the eye, sir.
Captain, forward breast line fast on bollard.
Send out one headline.
Sending headline, sir. Shore has secured the eye.
Both headline and breast line fast, Captain.
Bosun, heave up and tension the lines evenly.
Having up, sir. Line under moderate tension. No jerking. All clear.
Captain, vessels align and alongside. Final distance to quay 1 meters, no movement.
All align fast, sir. First casualty secured.
4-2, all line made, sir.
Mooring operations complete, Captain.
Good job everyone.